Here's how to change the country or region on your iPhone App Store.
Now, there are two different ways to do this. The first way is to head into the Settings app of your iPhone. You're first just going to tap on your name at the very top. Once you've tapped on your name, you'll be able to see a bunch of information about your Apple account. We're specifically going to look down and you can see media and purchases associated with the App Store so that we can change the country. You can tap on that and then tap on View Account. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you can also just head into the App Store itself. Within the App Store, you can tap on your profile at the very top. And then you'll be able to see at the very top is your name. You can just tap on your name and it will pop up with your same account settings. Now you can change that country or region just by going down and tapping on country or region. And then let's say I moved to the United Kingdom and I wanted to change it to that. So I could tap on it and I'll show you what it says. And sometimes it might pop up and say it can't change that country or region because you need to cancel a subscription first. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's just go OK and then tap on subscriptions here. After we've done that, you'll be able to see any active subscriptions. You can just tap on it. And from here, you can hit the See All Plans and then just go through and cancel that if you wanted to cancel it or downgrade it depending on your preference. Essentially, you just want to cancel all of those basically services or all of those subscriptions. Just tap on cancel and then you can change that country or region. Keep in mind, after you've done that, you want to go into manage payments. And on any of these different ones, you want to hit add a new payment method and make sure that you enter in a new payment method. And when you tap on address here, make sure you enter in a new address associated with your account. So not the old address in the old country, but update it to the new address in the new country.